All right, folks, right here we have a VERMEER 604R Signature. This is a 2018 model. Makes a 4x6 bale, runs off a 540 PTO. The manufacturer does recommend a minimum of 70 horsepower and prefers 90 horsepower on this baler. They take a little bit of power to run these big balers. This one's showing 5,873 bales on its Atlas Pro monitor. That's that 7-inch monitor with the touchscreen. Really nice. We put this one through our shop. We did replace a roller chain on this one. Other than that, this baler's in nice condition. Belts are nice. Tires are showing good even wear. We're going to have it right here at Bata Farm Machinery on our lot for sale. Feel free to stop by and take a look at it here. Ask us any questions. Also, you can give us a call at the number there on your screen. We'll answer any questions we can for you there. And yeah, feel free to check us out over there at batafarmmachinery.com as well. We've got our entire inventory listed over there on our website. Call us and see if we can give you a hand with anything you need.